Well, welcome back to the Junk Man's Adventures. I'm the Junk Man, and as you can tell, I'm in my new shop. Well, actually, it's my son's new shop, both of them. One of my sons, my oldest, he's 5 years old, or gonna turn 5, and he said, "Dad, I want my own shop," because he was tired of me telling him to pick up his toys and tools in my garage, and so I built him a shop. And we're going to take you a tour in a little bit here, but let me show you how I built it. Alright, here's the voiceover part of the video, and here's the lumber, the used lumber I got that we used to build this. And what's that? What are we building there?
The floor with the plywood and
my old plywood, yeah.
Yeah. And then there's there's my old rusty pickup with the water holders.
And that's why we're building it, because you needed somewhere to park your old rusty fire truck, right?
That's my old rusty pickup with the water holders.
Okay. And what are we building here?
The base for the walls.
Yep, and there's a picture of what the walls up there, and that's your garage door, the walk-in door, right?
Yeah, and then you gotta look for Dean the cat.
No, there's no Dean the cat in this one. But look, we got your workbench in there. You were cutting some wood and seeing how that all
and
fit
then
in there.
There's the windows in there, and then
sheeting. Put the sheeting and the roof on.
Wow, yeah, that's kind of nice.
Yeah, it is. It is really nice. Look, we got the windows in there too.
Yeah, and then we have to get it done. We have to get.
What's that? What's that part?
The O-shaped bench.
Yeah.
And then.
There's when we painted it.
Yeah.
Remember, you sprayed some of that. You sprayed it with my spray gun.
Yeah. And then there's what it looks like. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
With all the new paint on it, right?
Yeah, I remember that.
And there we go. I got the doors there. We don't have the soffits done on that one. And then we got the gray color, the paint on the outside, right?
Yeah.
And now, you remember that? We
yeah.
did put the roof on. You helped cut the shingles and hand them up. And then what we do there, we put the sliding door on.
Yeah.
And the other siding.
Yeah.
The rock siding that I had left over from our house.
Yeah. And then there's the electricity line.
And what's that?
The signs. There's
yep.
The signs. And then there's the baby truck's pen.
Okay.
And then there's it all done.
Well, I thank you for coming along on this little tour of this little playhouse, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and for my other updates, check out my Instagram, check out my website. I got more pictures of this, links all down in the description, and thanks for watching.